flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Cook County, Illinois, the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Cook County in northeast Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 4:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms across the warned area, with the line of thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall approaching the warned area. Rainfall rates with the initial area of thunderstorms was around 1/2 inch per hour. However, the next line of thunderstorms was producing rainfall rates over 1 inch per hour. The next line of thunderstorms will approach west central Cook County within the next hour and continue to slide east. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Arlington Heights, Barrington, Brookfield, Burnham, Chatham, Chicago, Cicero, Des Plaines, Evanston, Forest Park, Glencoe, Glenwood, Hoffman Estates, LaGrange, Lansing, Lamont, Lincoln Park, Linwood, and Lyons. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not enter the water. Turn around and move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chicago. The tornado warning for northeastern Kenosha County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. And now